February 10th, 1814. French victory at the Battle of Champaubert. In 1814, a crucial engagement played out as the Battle of Champaubert concluded with the victory for the French over the Russians and the Prussians. This Napoleonic Wars battle showcased the military prowess of the French forces under Napoleon's leadership. That outcome at Champaubert demonstrated the intricacies of strategy and maneuvering that defined this era of conflict. 1840. Queen Victoria's Royal Union. In 1840, a significant royal event unfolded as Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom married Prince Albert of Saxe-Coburg-Gotha. This union marked not only a personal milestone for the monarch, but also a moment of political and diplomatic significance. The marriage of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert symbolized unity and partnership, leaving a lasting impact on the British monarchy and the course of European history. 1846. Decisive Battle of the First Anglo-Sikh War. In 1846, the First Anglo-Sikh War reached its climax with the Battle of Champaubert. This final battle, British forces achieved victory over the Sikhs, bringing an end to the war. The Battle of Champaubert underscored the strategic and military challenges faced by both sides during this conflict, and it had far-reaching implications for the region's geopolitical landscape. 1861. Jefferson Davis's notification as provisional president. In 1861, the formation of the Confederate States of America took a significant step forward as Jefferson Davis received a telegraph notification that he had been chosen as the provisional president. This communication marked the beginning of Davis's leadership during a pivotal moment in American history as the nation grappled with the divisions that would lead to the American Civil War. 1862. Naval Battle of Elizabeth City. In 1862, the American Civil War saw naval action as a Union naval flotilla engaged and decisively defeated the Confederate Mosquito Fleet in the Battle of Elizabeth City on the Pasquotank River in North Carolina. This engagement demonstrated the importance of naval dominance in the conflict and the Union's efforts to assert control over waterways and supply routes. The Battle of Elizabeth City highlighted the diverse theaters of war that characterized the American Civil War.